What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Just doing a quick cabin filter, air filter replacement on the CRV. So if you guys are looking to do this kind of work, it's pretty easy, and I just wanted to show you guys that. So here's the glove box, and you just unclip this on the side to get the wheel off. This one too on the other side, and then you'll have 2 screws underneath here. Take it off, which would be these ones right here, and it should be an 8 millimeter. Yeah. All right. So after you get the glove box off, there's this bar that sits right here. Okay, and you'll have 2 8 millimeter bolts right there, and then a 10 right there, and same thing for the other side, 2 8 millimeter and 1 10. Now this left side right here is a little bit more difficult to get to, but I want to show you guys here on the right side. You have this cover, right? It's pretty easy to take off. So you take off a screw up here up top, and then it's just a clip right there at the bottom and up top here. So it sits in like that. And I took off this plastic fastener right there, right, which is this one. Yeah, which is that. And then you'll be able to pull that plastic cover off, giving you access to these three bolts right here. Okay, here on the left side, I unscrew this. There's a screw up top. There's I took off the little fat plastic fastener right there, and then there's also a screw right there. All right, that I took off. And then I took off this screw, but I don't think you need to. So what I did was I just kind of pried this one back, the plastic piece back, to get access to the 2 8s and 1 10 right there. All right. Now once you get this metal bar right there, you'll have access to the air filter, which is this part right here. So just unhook the bottom and then pull it. And then here's your air filter. All right, that's how you guys do it. Okay, so I'm changing mine. This is old and grimy looking already, and so yeah, it's long overdue for a change. You'll see the airflow going that way towards the center of the car, so you want your airflow going that way too. All right, guys, I'll end this video right here. See you guys on the next one.